Helpful hints. Your freezer is your friend. When buying meat, divide into individual portions and freeze in zipper-lock plastic bags. Buy large bags of frozen vegetables and use portions as needed. Freeze all leftovers. Days will come when your pocket is empty or restaurants are closed. When using vegetables, canned, fresh, and frozen are interchangeable, unless specified. And remember, canned food doesn't spoil until after it has been opened. Macaroni can be used in place of ramen noodles. Save all extra seasoning packets for future use. Sprinkle a seasoning packet over hamburger or chicken and brown together for a great flavor. Macaroni cheese packets can be used in place of real cheese. 2 tablespoons dehydrated minced or chopped onion is equal to 1/4 cup fresh minced onion. Salt lovers beware. Before adding extra salt, taste your food. Seasoning packets are always salty. To cook noodles, follow the directions on the package unless recipe says otherwise. Add more or less of any ingredient to your own liking. Be creative and enjoy yourself. Low-fat or light soups, sour cream, and cream cheese can be substituted if you prefer. And that will be it for today's video. That excerpt that I just listed out just now, I got from, and this was in the beginning of the video too, but I figure I just reiterate that I got this from a book called 101 Things to Do with Ramen, or Ramen Noodles. I don't know how to pronounce the word ramen, okay? Tomato, tomato, whatever. This is by author Tony Patrick. Thanks so much. You all have a great day every day. I really appreciate you all. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.
Is he gonna do it? Yes, 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 yes! Can you take me higher?